Hello and welcome to Aarsun. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I will be showing you a grand king size bed which is in teak wood in white paint with gold highlighting. In this bed we have two side tables and hydraulic boxes that is easy to open and easy to close. In this side table we have three drawers for storage. The mattress area of this bed is 72 by 78 and the back height is 6.5 feet. I'm sure you have seen these kind of beds in royal palaces and movies. Now you can get this type of design for yourself as well. Aarsun Woods can make it for you and send to your home in India and out of India wherever you are. We can customize as per your requirement. If you want queen size, king size or super king size, then we can provide you that one also. So the number is right here. Please contact. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.